Hello. So here I have the box with the books, or at least I hope it's the books. And these come from a developer that used to code for the Commodore 64 and other retro machines. I'm going to call him Mr. X. Mr. X doesn't want to say his name, so unfortunately you have to accept that it is a box from somebody that used to develop for the Commodore 64 and for other machines which I will mention later on. But I can assure you he did games for Spectrum, BBC and CPC, I believe. Okay, so let's start unboxing it. Let's open it. Okay, I hope that the battery will last. If not, there's lots of books, and although I will not say who the person is, you're going to realize, of course, there is not just books which are retro, I believe, but yeah, he told me that to pack it he put other books, so yeah. But now the books start. As you can see, BBC. Okay? Chaos for the Commodore 64. Top 100 games. The player's guide. Okay, here's a book that we are familiar with, Mapping the Commodore 64. Okay. Oh, this I know. This is my fourth book of this, of Zax. Rodney Zax. It's my fourth book that I have. Here is machine code graphics for the Commodore 64 and machine code applications for the ZX Spectrum. '6502. '64 sound and graphics. Mapping the Atari, yes, he did also for the Atari. Now I remember it. Oxford Illustrated Computer Dictionary. And DIY Robotics and Sensors. Transputer Reference Manual. Pet Personal Guide. Animation and simulation for microcomputers. So BBC again, a guide toward the Electron. Master your ZX micro drive. Computer Users Dictionary. Commodore 64 Adventures. Easy use PC guide, of which Transputer applications. There you go, Spectrum, Amiga, D-Paint. This is the +4 user manual. Oh, this I like. The 386 486 PC. This is assembly, I believe. If I remember, I have this book already. Yeah. Atari MS-DOS. This is strange for me. It's the first time I saw an Atari PC, Microsoft, with MS-DOS.